Right here, I'm going to show you how to take off the trimmer head and install a new one. It's pretty simple. There's a hole right here that you're going to use you're going to stick something in there, like a pick or awl, screwdriver, anything you can fit in there, to grab this and twist it off. This is what I'm using right here. Get your new one. Leave that in there. Be careful this don't fall off. You need that. And you're just gonna screw it till it's tight. Keep that in there to hold it. Keep it from spinning. It's tight. Spins. That's it.